Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do triple crochet. So for triple crochet we need to yarn over twice and we have 3 little loops on our hook and go into the stitch, pick up the V-shaped stitch and yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So this is a triple crochet. It's long and look like this, and I'm gonna do it again. Yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and we got only 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So this is 3 triple crochet I did.